Spyder is free and open source code editor IDE for scientific programming in the Python language. Spyder is support of first party and third party plugins. It is uses GUI based designated software. Browser open, search box lo Spyder download, enter key press. Spyder IDE.org download. Spyder IDE download, first link, mouse left click. Spyder redirectory official web page complete display. Download Spyder section lo default detected Windows 10 and plus. Supporting OS Windows plus first button, second one Linux, third one Mac OS, fourth one Mac OS Intel supported. Present Windows setup, first button download for Windows, click. Download section lo Spyder -Windows -x86 _ 64.exe setup file downloading process start. File size 550 MB. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Next step, installation setup process. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Downloads folder lo Spyder exe setup file display. Mouse right click. First option open click. Download folder minimize. Spyder latest version 6.0.5 x64-bit setup window display. Welcome to Spyder 6.0.5 x64 setup window. First button, next click. License agreement. Spyder IDE related software license display in middle section window. Second button, agree, click. Select installation type. Install for first one just to me recommended. Second one, all users request admin privileges. First one, default detect and selected. Second button, next click. Choose install location. Default location destination folder, local disk C, users PC, app data, local newly created folder, Spyder -6. Left side source required space 560 MB and space available 82.9 GB. Second button, next click. Advanced installation options, two options, default setup. Second button, install, click. Installing. Please wait while Spyder latest version 6.0.1 64-bit supporting OS is being installed. Status, starting up the packages. Catch installation process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Spyder IDE desktop shortcut display. Setup was completed successfully. Second button, next click. Completing Spyder. Finish button, click. Desktop shortcut Spyder IDE. Select open. Spyder window display. Latest version 6. Second button, dismiss, click. Close window. Spyder IDE user interface complete. Dark mode display. Left side default file temp.py. Spyder IDE lo Python related coding అనేది ఎంటర్ చేయాలంటే బిఫోర్ పైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ చేసిన తర్వాత పైథాన్ రిలేటెడ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ అనేది ఎంటర్ చేయాలి. ఫైల్ మెనూ క్లిక్. సేవ్ యాజ్ ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ డెస్క్టాప్ సెలెక్ట్. మిడిల్ సెక్షన్ లో మౌస్ రైట్ క్లిక్. న్యూ ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్. సబ్ ప్యానల్ లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఫోల్డర్ క్లిక్. Folder rename, enter. Delete key press. Spyder files. Enter key press. First button open, click. File name window lo default temp remove. Delete key press. File name charitech dot extension py. First button save, click. Python script mathematical function a is equal to 20. Enter key press. B is equal to 20. enter key press. C is equal to 20, enter key press. Print open bracket a plus b plus c, enter key press. Print open bracket double quoted Charlie Tech Info. Third icon, save button, click. Green color button, run file, click. Name and type and size, each one shall display 20, 20 and 20. Console window output calculation 60, output Charlie Tech Info display. Installed Python